slugs, the silent assassins of your garden. One night, your lettuce is thriving. The next, it's been ravaged by these slimy invaders. But don't worry, today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to eliminating slugs from your garden. Whether you're growing vegetables or flowers, I've got you covered with proven, eco-friendly, and effective slug control methods. Before we fight back, we need to understand the enemy. Slugs are nocturnal, moisture-loving mollusks that feed on young, tender plants. They thrive in damp environments, mulch, underpots, and shaded corners of your garden. And they're not picky. Hostas, basil, lettuce, strawberries, if it's soft and green, they'll eat it. Look out for irregular holes in leaves, slime trails on soil or containers, and missing seedlings overnight. That's your first clue they've moved in. Let's start with physical deterrents. These methods create hostile terrain slugs hate to cross. Copper tape. Slugs get a mild electric shock from copper. Line the edges of raised beds, pots, or even plant stems with copper tape. It's kind of like an invisible fence. Alright, so you can scatter crushed eggshells or sand around the base of your vulnerable plants. The sharp texture, is really irritating to their soft bodies, so it acts like a natural barrier. Beer traps are honestly a classic. Just bury a shallow container so it's flush with the soil and fill it with beer. Slugs are drawn to the scent, they fall in, and well, they just can't get out. Make sure you check and empty these traps daily. Wooden boards or citrus traps are another great low-tech option. Just place these in your garden overnight. In the morning, flip them over and remove the slugs hiding underneath. It's simple but super effective. Want a hands-off approach? Let nature help you out. Encourage predators. Birds, toads, frogs, ground beetles, and even hedgehogs are natural slug hunters. Create habitats they love, add a small pond, install birdhouses, and leave logs or stones for shelter. If you have the space, ducks are slug-eating machines. They'll happily patrol your garden and keep slug numbers down. If things get out of control, here are some organic and low-impact chemical options that won't harm your garden's ecosystem. Diatomaceous earth is honestly a great option. This fine powder cuts slugs as they crawl over it. Just apply it in a dry ring around plants, but remember, you'll need to reapply it after rain. So, iron phosphate pellets like Sluggo are actually approved for organic gardening. When slugs eat the bait, they stop feeding and eventually die off. The best part is, these pellets are safe for pets, birds, and beneficial insects. Now, just a quick word of caution, avoid Metaldehyde. Older slug baits often contain Metaldehyde, which, yeah, it's effective, but it's also toxic to pets and wildlife. Always read labels carefully. Honestly, winning the slug war is all about consistency and prevention. Here's how to keep them from coming back. So, here's a tip. Water your garden in the morning. Slugs are most active at night when things are damp, so if you water early, it gives your garden a chance to dry out by evening. That way you're making it a lot less inviting for those pesky slugs. Another thing to remember is to reduce hiding spots. Keeping the garden tidy really helps. Slugs love to hide under pots, boards, and thick foliage. So make sure you clear away any debris and keep those weeds under control. Compost piles can attract slugs, so keep your bins covered and, if possible, elevate them. It really helps keep those pesky slugs out. Some plants, like rosemary, lavender, and ferns, are slug-resistant. You can use them as borders or even as decoys around your garden. Slugs may be persistent, but with the right approach, you can totally reclaim your garden and enjoy lush, healthy plants once again. Try a mix of these methods and just see what works best for your space. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Let's grow something great without the slime.